Excuse me, Beethoven. I think it's not working. What?
What?
Play the F chord for me. Yes, that is the keyboard. No. No. No.
No! What is it? God damn it! The F chord broke it again!
Ow. You do not hit me. Ow. Get off your step. I don't know what to do with my hands now. I don't have the piano. The piano's right in front of you. No. No. Excuse me? Stop touching my baby.
I thought you were the piano.
You play me that.
I'm not over there.
No, the piano's over there.
Oh.
Okay, fine. Sit down. Sit down. I will let you play with monkeys.
Monkeys?
Yeah.
Doesn't sound like a monkey! Oh! I have balls!
Hey, take the monkeys. Put your hands out in a confirmation. Put them together. No. No, put them together. Just like that. Yeah, put monkeys.
Monkeys? Monkeys?
Monkeys.
There's an African safari in my hand!
Of course it is. You have to try and connect the monkeys. So I can't see that. You just dropped the monkeys. You just dropped the monkeys.
Did I do it?
You dropped the monkeys. You dropped the monkeys. Stop touching mine. Oh God. Hey baby, stop it. Stop my place. The wolf is coming. I must run and go to my grandmother's. Where my basket? My basket. The wolf is coming. Sit down, Beethoven. Sit down. Sit down. Oh, I must get to my grandmother. Don't eat me.